Welcome to our Inventor Nastran demo series. In this first video, we will prepare our model using a structural member from the Content Center. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. So let's get started. We will go into our Inventor and we're gonna open assembly file. Then the next step will be to go into components. We will go into components tab and place, and we click on place from content center. So the content center dialog box will open, and we will go into structural shapes, I-beams, and look for our universal beam, which is this one. So we just do double click and the universal beam dialog box will open. So we will be selecting this beam from here, 460 UV 67 with a length of 1500 millimeters. We click apply and now we need to save it. So let's go in here. I want to save it that location and press save. So we do right click and place ground at origin, and in here we just do escape, cancel and cancel, and this is our model. Now I would like to be able to do a preparation of the area when I'm gonna apply the load. So basically we have the beam. We are going to apply some constraints on this area, but in terms of the application of the load, I want to apply the load especially on the web at the front of this face. So to do that, we're going to split the surface. So let's go into context. Yes, and we are going to make a sketch in here. Then I'm going to project some geometry. We select rectangle from here and let me project these two edges, and now I'm gonna use a geometrical constraint from here to here and this one from here to here. Okay, so the next step will be to split the surface. I select my tool for splitting, and then the next step is selecting the face, which is this one. Then do OK, and the area where I want to apply the load has been defined. So the last step will be to come out from the context. Now let's save the component. So I just want to save it with the same name that we had in here. So let's go and do save. Let's put the name in here. Save and save. And that is it. So that is it for the model preparation. In the next video, we will import this model into Nastran and prepare our finite element model. So hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thank you and see you soon.